Morning students, welcome to the maths class. Now look at this picture and tell me what do you see. आपको इस पिक्चर में क्या क्या दिख रहा है? We can see different shapes in this picture. As in your house, doors are there, windows are there, there's so many other things. Okay, the study table is there, bed is there, maybe wall clock, alarm clock, utensils in the kitchen. So everything is not of the same shape. So what do you see in this picture? You can see different shapes in this picture. Okay, you can see a triangle, you can see a rectangle, you can see another rectangle. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a circle, then this entire shape is square. So these are different shapes, and we have started the lesson shapes. Okay, and first in shapes we will again revise about 2D shapes, that means two-dimensional shapes. So first we have started with plane shapes. Plane shapes, that means two-dimensional shapes. Now two-dimensional shapes are the shapes which have two dimensions, that is length and breadth. Okay, and plane shapes are the shapes that can be laid flat on any paper or any table or any plane. Okay, so these plane shapes can be laid flat or they can be drawn. मतलब इन जो 2D shapes होते हैं, plane shapes होते हैं, इसको हम किसी पेपर पे और किसी टेबल पे इसको हम रख सकते हैं. इनको 2D बोलते हैं. 2D इज D मीन्स डायमेंशन. इनको 2 डायमेंशनल शेप बोलते हैं क्योंकि इनके इनके 2 डायमेंशंस होते हैं. दे हैव 2 डायमेंशंस, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. Okay, so these shapes can be laid flat on a piece of paper or any mathematical plane. So they any shape, कोई भी shape जिसको कि हम flat रख सकते हैं या उसको हम किसी टेबल पे किसी पेपर पे फ्लैट रख सकते हैं, that is a 2D shape. Okay, and we see 2D shapes all around us. हमारे चारों तरफ हमें क्या दिखाई पड़ता है? हमें we see so many shapes around us. The window in your house is rectangle, door is of rectangle shape, alarm clock is there, wall clock is there. They may be square, it may be a triangle, it may be a square, it may be circle. Okay, so when you see around you, you see different shapes all around you. अपने चारों तरफ देखो कि आपको कितने shapes दिखाई पड़ते हैं. ठीक है, so these are the shapes. They are called 2D because D means dimension and they have 2 dimensions, that is length and breadth. Like you can see this triangle, it is made up of 4 lines. In this rectangle you can see 4 lines. 4 lines are there. Now a line is not 2 dimension. Line can move forward or line can move backward. मतलब line एक single dimension है, 1 dimension. Line does not have any length or breadth. It is single dimension. It does not have any breadth. It has length, मतलब it can या तो इसको हम आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं और it can move forward. So line is a one dimensional. It's just 1 dimension. Now if in this rectangular shape you will see there are 4 lines. So length is there and breadth is there. So these are 2 dimensions. In 2 dimension we can move forward, we can move backward, then we can turn to other side also. So it is 2 dimension. And plane किसको बोलते हैं in mathematics? Plane means any flat surface. Like I told you, 2D shapes that we can put on any mathematical plane, any plane. Plane means any flat surface. A plane is like your table, the top of your table. It is the example of 2D shape. It is maybe square in shape, maybe rectangle in shape, maybe circle in shape. So like you can put any two-dimension shape on a piece of paper, so your paper is also a plane. Okay, so two-dimension shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. Okay, paper is the most common example. You make drawings on paper. पेपर आप टेबल पे रख करके उस पर पेपर बनाते हो. तो 2D shapes are the shapes which can be drawn on the paper, and 2 dimensions means length and breadth. That is why they are known as 2-dimension planes. Now see this. This is a sheet of paper, and on this sheet of paper you can put any plane shape. You can see a square, a triangle, a heart shape, star, moon, circle, oval, any plane shape which you can put on a plain sheet of paper or on a table is a 2-dimension shape. Okay. So first I explained about 4 basic plane shapes, that is rectangle, square, triangle and circle. First let us see rectangle. I have already explained this in my previous video. Today I will first revise 2-dimensional shapes and then we will move ahead to 3-dimensional shapes. So here the shape you are seeing is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle. Now you can see there are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Or any side you can take as 1, 2, 3, 4. But there are 4 sides. Now, are all the sides equal? Are all the sides equal? Just by seeing, you can say that all the sides are not equal. सिर्फ देख करके आप बता सकते हो कि all the sides are not equal. Now there are 4 sides. How many sides are there? 4 sides. The 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. As you can see, the side AB is equal to side CD. That means the side AB and CD are equal. And side DA and side CB. That means this side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. Just by seeing the figure you can say this. So therefore that means the opposite sides are equal. So in a rectangle there are 4 sides, and since there are 4 sides there are 4 points. Points are where the 2 lines meet. So A, B, C and D. These are the 4 points. So in a rectangle there are 4 sides and 4 points, and the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay. So one side is length and one side is breadth. एक साइड लंबाई है, एक साइड उसकी चौड़ाई है. Width or breadth both are same. So this is rectangle. Now any name in an object which represents a rectangle. The most common example is your mobile phone, which you are holding throughout the day nowadays, isn't it? सबसे common example इस समय rectangle का क्या है? The screen of your mobile phone. The screen is always rectangle. It is not square, it is not circle, it is not oval, it is not triangle. The screen of mobile phone is always rectangular in shape. So the most common example of a rectangle nowadays is the screen of your mobile phone, or the flat surface of your mobile phone, or the screen of your TV. Okay, this is an example of rectangle. Now the next figure is a square. Here in this square, you will see that this square also has 4 sides. Okay, the square also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4, or you can take any side as 1, 2, 3, 4. So square also has 4 sides, and here you will see that all the 4 sides are of same length. All the 4 sides are equal. That means there are 4 lines: the line PS, the line SR, the line RQ and the line QP. All are of same length. Okay, and again there are 4 points: point P, point Q, point R and point S. So there are 4 lines and 4 points. But the difference between a square and a rectangle, एक square और rectangle में difference क्या है? The square, in a square all the 4 sides are of different length. Square में सारे 4 sides जो है वो same length के होते हैं. In a rectangle the opposite sides are of equal length. In a square all the 4 sides are of same length. So square is a plane shape having all 4 sides equal. Now name an object which represents a square. The most common example is one side of a dice. One side of a dice. जो आप लूडो खेलते हो, लूडो में डाइस होता है, उसके आप अगर एक साइड को, if you see one side of it, all the sides are square. There are 6 sides, as 6 numbers are there, so all the sides are square. Okay. The next we have done is triangle. As the name says, triangle, tri means 3. Okay, so triangle means 3 angles. Angles, you will study when you will learn angles when you go to class maybe 4 and 5. Angles, I will just tell you. Angles are where the 2 points meet, like 2 lines. This line AB and line BC is meeting at point B, so this is an angle. Okay, line BC and line AC meet here at C, so this is an angle. And these two, this line and this line meet here, so this is an angle. So triangle means the figure with 3 angles. The figure with 3 angles is a triangle. So in a triangle there are 3 lines. 3 lines होती हैं and 3 points होते हैं. Okay. So name an object which represents a triangle. कोई सा भी example ले सकते हो. Very common example is if you take a slice of bread, एक slice of bread लो, उसको diagonally बीच से काटोगे तो दोनों sides आपकी क्या बनेंगी? It will be a triangle. Okay, so that will be a triangle. So triangle means shape with 3 lines and 3 angles. And next you see is a circle. Okay, a circle has no visible sides and corner point. Circle का कोई भी side नहीं होता है. Circle, you can say circle has got only one plain side. When you put a circle, if you cut a shape, you can take any circular thing, if you cut a shape and put it on any plane, you will see only one side. सिर्फ एक side आपको दिखेगी. So that is a circle. Okay. So these are the 4 basic shapes. Apart from these, any plane shape, any shape having length and breadth and which can be put on a mathematical plane, which can be put on a plane or on a sheet of paper, is a 2-dimensional shape. जिस shape को कि हम पूरी तरह से paper पे या किसी भी flat surface पे हम रख सकते हैं, that is a 2-dimensional shape. Now we had discussed some activities also. Like in my previous video, I had discussed about drawing rectangle, square and circle. In the same way, you can draw other plane shapes also. You can take any shape, put it on a paper and draw your pencil along it. Draw your pencil along it and lift that shape. You will get that shape on the paper. Okay. Now see some drawings from shapes. In this drawing, it is so easy to make the mouth of a mouse. One triangle is drawn and then 2 circles are drawn. Okay, and then you color it, make the eyes, make its nose, color its nose and make its mustache. So just by drawing a triangle and two circle, you get the face of a mouse. Then this is another drawing. Here, what are the shapes being used? What are the shape which are used here? You can see one rectangle. This is again rectangle. Two rectangles are there. This is an oval shape. 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 Okay. Then this is a triangle. This you can say is semicircle. Semicircle is not exactly semicircle because semicircle is half of circle. Semicircle का मतलब होता है half circle. This you can say is crescent moon. जैसे moon का जो shape होता है, जब moon धीरे धीरे कम होना शुरू होता है और when from no moon to full moon, जैसे moon का shape बदलता है, so you can say this is moon shape. Okay, and the face is of circular shape. So this is again a drawing which can be made using different shapes. Okay, then I'll show you few more drawings. Now see this drawing. How many shapes are used here? The cap is of triangle. Then to decorate the cap, rectangle, squares are there. Then few more triangles. Then different circles are used to make the eyes, to make the nose, to make the cheek, and then rectangle is used to make the mouth. Okay, and a circle is used to make the entire face. And instead of red ribbon, you can use black ribbon also to make curly hairs. And then on top of the cap, you can see one circle. One more drawing. Now see this. Again, so many shapes are used. Circle is there. Triangle is there. Then circle is there. Triangle is there. This is like shape having four sides. Then this is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. Then one rectangle is there. Then this entire shape is square. This shape is rectangle. Then figures are there, 2 circles, and these are the lines. So these are all different kinds of shapes. So if you see, you will find shapes all around you. One more drawing you can see. This is a giraffe. What are the shapes being used? Square is there, triangle is there, then face using a triangle, legs using a triangle, and then of course you can make few leaves. You can add something on your own to decorate the drawing or make something extra. Okay, so if you see all around you, you will find shapes all around you, and you can make so many things. You can make so many drawings using the shapes. That means these two-dimensional shapes, 2D shapes or flat shapes. Now see this drawing again. This is made using so many different shapes. When you can see a triangle, you can see rectangle, you can see, in fact, you can see various different rectangles, many rectangles. Circle is there. Okay, so this is again a drawing using different shapes. So what I mean to say is कि आप shapes use करके कितनी सारी चीज़ें बना सकते हो. 2 dimensional shapes का इस सारा example है. This is all example of 2 dimensional shapes where you can use these shapes to make drawings, or this is to give you the concept of 2 dimensional shapes. मतलब clear समझाने के लिए कि 2D shapes किसे बोलते हैं. Okay, so these are some basic 2D shapes. First is a square. Okay, square, as I've told you, a square has 4 sides. and 4 corners. If there are 4 sides, there has to be 4 corners, क्योंकि जहाँ पे वो 2 sides जहाँ करके मिलेंगी वहाँ पे एक corner होगा. So if 4 sides are there, there has to be 4 corners. So this is a square. So if any shape has got 4 sides and 4 corners, then which shape it would be? वो कौन सा shape होगा? You can say rectangle भी हो सकता है, but then how will you identify? कैसे पहचानोगे कि whether it is a square or a rectangle? If all the 4 sides are of the same length, then it is a square, and if opposite sides are of the same length, then it is a rectangle. Okay? Next is, I have 3 sides, I have 3 corners. Which shape am I? I am a triangle. Tri means 3. 3 sides se, 3 corners se, it is a triangle. The next shape is plane shape. In our book, 4 basic plane shapes are there: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Apart from these, as I told you, any shape which can be put flat on a flat surface. So it can have more than 4 sides. Okay, so there are different shapes having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. Okay, so this shape has got 5 sides. I have 5 sides. Since 5 sides are there, so 5 corners bhi honge, and the shape which has 5 sides is known as a pentagon. Penta means 5. So any shape having 5 sides is known as pentagon. So this is a pentagon. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Similarly, next shape is a hexagon. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. 6 sides होंगे तो 6 corners भी होंगे. जितने sides होंगे उतने corners होंगे. Okay. Then I have 8 sides and 8 corners. A shape having 8 sides and 8 corners is known as octagon. Okay. So इसके 8 sides से 8 corners है. This is an octagon. Now next is, I have infinite sides. As I told you, circle does not have any starting point. It does not have any end point. It has got just one flat surface. It has no side. It has no corner. Okay, this is a circle. So a circle does not have any side. It does not have any corner. It just has one flat surface. It is a circle. Now, these are some regular 2D shapes. I have already explained about these shapes. Now you can see all the shapes at one plane. सारे shapes आप एक साथ देख सकते हो. These are the regular 2D shapes. Most common is square. A square, you can see a square, 4 straight lines, all the same size, 4 straight lines, all the sides are of same length. 4 corners are there and 4 right angles. As triangle, tri means 3. In a triangle there are 3 lines, so 3 angles are there. And in a square, since 4 sides are there, so 4 angles are there. About angles you will read, you will study later in senior classes. Then triangle. Triangle has 3 straight sides, 3 corners and no right angle. Okay, triangle has, I will remove this, I will not explain this point, right angle, because right now you do not know about angles. So a triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. The next is rectangle. A rectangle is, again, it has 4 straight sides, 2 long sides and 2 short sides, because 2 sides are of equal length and opposite sides are always. 2 sides does not mean that opposite, it has to be opposite sides. 2 sides means opposite sides are of equal length. So this is a rectangle. 4 straight sides, 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and since 4 sides are there, so again 4 corners are there. Then this is an octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. So if there are 8 sides, there has to be 8 angles, isn't it? So 8 straight lines are there and 8 straight lines are there, so 8 corners are also there. Then pentagon having 5 sides, 5 straight sides, since 5 sides are there, so 5 corners are also there. Then hexagon, hexagon is side having 6 sides, since 6 straight sides are there, so 6 corners are also there. 6 sides होंगी तो 6 corners भी होंगे. And then circle. Circle does not have any straight line, it does not have any straight side, it does not have any start, it has just one curved side. Okay, one flat curved side, it does not have any corner. So these are the basic or regular, you can say, जो कि सबसे common two dimensional 2D shapes है. So children, these are some basic two dimensional shape, that is shapes having length and breadth. And 2D shapes are the plane shapes which can be put flat on any flat surface. Okay, if these shapes have one more dimension, like right now they have length and breadth, and if one more dimension is added, then they become 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, तब वो क्या हो जाते हैं, वो 3 dimension वाले shapes होते हैं. Right now 2 dimension means length and breadth, and if 3rd dimension, that is if height is also added, then they become 3-dimensional shapes. So after 2-dimension shapes, I will explain about 3-dimension shapes also. And 3-dimensional shapes are all solid shapes. They have just length and breadth, and they are plane shapes. So this is the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid shapes. I will explain about 3D shapes in my next video. 2D shapes are the plane shapes, and they can be seen all around you. In your house, you can see 2D shapes all around you. Wherever you see, you will find shape. You see outside, you see around your house, things in your house all have some shape or the other. So okay, so these are the 2D shapes. You can draw these shapes on any paper. You can make a rectangle by keeping your geometry box or mobile phone or anything, any rectangle thing, any like your book, matchbox. Keep it on a piece on a paper and draw your pencil along it. मतलब अपना take your geometry box, keep it on a paper, उसको एक पेपर पे आप रखो और उसके चारों तरफ पेंसिल से आप line draw करोगे. And when you lift your geometry box, the shape you will get is a rectangle. ठीक है. Similarly, you can make a circle. Circle बनाने के लिए you can take your mother's bangle. Bangle को रखा, अंदर के साइड से लाइन ड्रॉ किया. अंदर के साइड से because outer side may have some design, the circle, this surface may not be very smooth, so run your pencil alongside the inside of the bangle, and when you lift the bangle, you will get circle. You can draw a circle using a coin also. Coin रखा, coin के साइड में आप पेंसिल से बनाओगे तो you will get a coin. Similarly, you can draw this shape triangle also, keeping a bread slice, and then you can draw other shapes also. Like I have explained about hexagon, the side having 6 sides. You can make that shape also, because certain there are certain जो balm जिसको बोलते हैं headache वगैरह में लगाते हैं. So a particular balm is there जिसका box, if the box is of hexagonal shape, you can draw a hexagon also. Okay, so in this way you can make any plane shape on the paper. So in my next video I will explain about 3D shapes, that means 3-dimensional shapes. So that's all for this video. Thank you, children. So children, you can see these are some basic 2D shapes: rectangle, circle, square, pentagon, quadrilateral, triangle. Quadrilateral is a type of rectangle only. Okay, it also has 4 sides. You can see it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Then heart shape is also a 2-dimension shape. Okay, the shape of crescent moon, जैसे जो पूरा moon नहीं होता है, that also is a plane shape. Okay, plane shape, all 2-dimensional shapes are plane shapes. So okay, so these are some basic plane shapes. Thank you, children. So children, these are some basic 2-dimensional shapes. Okay, the 2 dimensions are length and breadth. Now I will tell you 2 very interesting facts. A point is 0-dimensional. because a point is a point. It does not have any length, it does not have any breadth. So point is a zero dimensional, while a line is one dimensional. As I told you, as I have already explained, we can only measure its length. Like zero जो होता है, it does not have any dimension, it is zero dimensional, because zero की कोई length नहीं है, zero की कोई breadth नहीं है. While a line is one dimensional, line one dimensional है क्योंकि हम सिर्फ इसकी length measure कर सकते हैं. We can only measure its length. It can move in one direction only, either forward or backward. So it is one dimensional. We can only measure its length. Thank you, children. So we can classify figures on the basis of the dimensions they have. So circle, triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, these are all examples of two-dimensional shapes. Okay, since they have length and breadth.